How to convert PDF Word without changing the format. So there are a few methods you could try. The first being Microsoft Word. So I've opened up Microsoft Word on my computer. Make sure you have it, and then head into the File menu, click on File here, click on Open, and select the locations for your files. So I'll be going with this location here. So once you found the PDF you're looking for, just go ahead and click on it, and Microsoft Word would prompt you to convert it to an editable document, which would take some time. But if you click on OK, you can see the progress at the bottom, and then would now open up a new window with your converted PDF, like so. And voila, we have it. Now the other option you could try would be opening up your browser. So open up your browser and log on to your Google Drive. Make sure you have an account on Google. Once you're here, just head into your Drive and just click on the upload option. So go ahead and upload the drive. If you don't know how to upload, click on the plus here and then select file upload or folder upload if your PDFs are in a folder. So click on file upload and then select the PDF you want to upload. And once it's been uploaded, use the file type changer. Once your file has been uploaded, just go ahead and click on type here and select PDF. Once you select the PDF, go ahead and click on the three dots and select open with and select Google Docs. So Google Docs is now going to automatically convert it into a PDF, which you can easily use. So it's going to show up like this. And now all you need to do here is click on file, head over to download and click on Microsoft Word or any format you need. Now another option you could try, which is opening up a new tab and simply searching for another platform like online PDF converters. You could try a platform like Small PDFs. They are good with converting your files. So head over to Small PDF, that's smallpdf.com. Click on their website. Once it's opened, just go ahead and log into your account and then use the convert feature. So click on convert and then you can choose your files. So you can select from your device, let's say the PDF, click on open, and then you could easily convert it to from PDF to Word or PDF to Excel or PowerPoint or an image. So it depends on what you want to do once the file has opened up. So yeah, those are the ways. All right, guys.